How 3D printing is taking a role in construction industry. How 3D printing is useful and growing over this course of era. Speed and efficiency. 3D printing allows for faster and more easy construction by creating building components off-site, which can then be bought and assembled. This approach reduces the time and labor required for construction, which can lead to significant cost savings. Design flexibility. 3D printing enables architects and engineers to create complex geometries and unique designs that would be difficult to achieve using current construction methods. This allows for greater design flexibility and creativity, resulting in more aesthetically pleasing and functional structures. Sustainability. 3D printing can reduce the amount of waste created during construction and allow for the use of sustainable materials such as recycled plastic, which help to reduce the environmental impact of construction. Customization. 3D printing allows for the creation of customized and personalized building components, such as doors, windows, and decorative elements, which can meet the specific needs of individual customers. Safety. 3D printing can be used to create building components that are more durable and resistant to extreme weather conditions, such as hurricanes and earthquakes, making buildings safer. With these advantages, 3D printing is becoming increasingly popular in the construction industry. The adoption of 3D printing in construction has been driven by several factors, including the availability of more advanced 3D printing technologies, the increasing demand for sustainable and cost-effective building practices, and the need for greater design flexibility and creativity. Moreover, 3D printing is being used in various applications across the construction industry, including building construction, bridge construction, and housing construction. This broad range of applications is helping to contribute to the growth of the 3D printing industry in the coming years. As the technology continues to evolve and become more accessible, we can expect to see more widespread adoption of 3D printing in the construction industry. The benefits of 3D printing in the construction industry are: faster construction time, lower labor and material costs, less waste generated, more precise and complex designs, customizable and personalized designs, environmentally sustainable materials. As the technology continues to evolve, it is likely that we will see even more innovative and creative applications of 3D printing in the construction industry. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content related to this.